Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're solving some equations. Okay, so first we're going to solve some absolute value equations. Recall that absolute value of x means distance away from 0, right? So there's two numbers that are 4 away from 0. That's going to be negative 4 and 4. Those are the two numbers in which the absolute value of x is 4 away from 0 on the number line. Okay, similarly here, it's the same situation, except we got an x minus 2, so we can say x minus 2 equals 4, or x minus 2 equals negative 4, just like over here, but we got an x minus 2, so we have x equals 6, or x, this should be minus here, x equals negative 2. So both of those, if you plug them in here, you get 4. Okay, so similarly here, you split up into two equations, x minus 7 equals negative 3, or 5x minus 7 equals 3, and then solve for x. So you have 5x equals, we'll add 7 to both sides, we have 4, x equals 4/5. Here we have 5x equals 10, so x equals 2. So those are our two possibilities there. Clearing fractions, well, if you got fractions in an equation, first thing you want to do is multiply by a number to get rid of the denominators, which are in this case just 7. So we can multiply everything by 7. That'll give us 2y here. And 7 times 15 is 105. Here we get 6y minus 63. Okay, then we subtract 2y from both sides. We get negative 105 equals 4y minus 63. Add 63. And we get 4y equals negative 42. So y equals negative 42 over 4, which equals negative 21 over 2. Now here we have a bunch of fractions with different denominators. So we're going to multiply by the lowest common denominator. Let's start with the biggest number, 6. Can't be 6, or 12 doesn't work, 18 doesn't work for 5. I think we have to go all the way up to 30. 30 works for all 4 of these numbers. Because if I multiply by 30, I'll cancel all those numbers out. So 30 divided by 3 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 5 times 15 is 75. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35. So let's subtract 20x from both sides. We get 4x equals 75, so x equals 75 over 4.